Marhol Daisy Sete Trophy Race, race number 6. And the race is on. Len Len from the outside. Sulong Pinoy, Dear John Whistler. Apu Bell moving up by Dral and Sulong Pinoy. Rather, Be My Queen is the early trailer. It's now Apu Bell followed by Sulong Pinoy Whistler. Len Len Racing Import on the outside is Dear John, Be My Queen. And inside the last 900, Apu Bell by about 2 lengths. Whistler in second. Sulong Pinoy Racing third, running import by about 2 lengths. Dear John, Be My Queen. Len Len is now bring up the rear. And rounding the far turn, Apu Bell this time by about 3 lengths. Whistler, Sulong Pinoy, Dear John rushing up in between runners as they race the last 450. Apu Bell by about 2 lengths, followed now by Dear John in second. Whistler, Sulong Pinoy, Len Len by Darrell, racing towards the last 150. Apu Bell by about 2 lengths, Len Len by Darrell. Whistler, Dear John, last 100. Apu Bell, Len Len, Whistler on the outside. Len Len, Whistler on the outside. And finally, Whistler, Len Len, Apu Bell, Dear John, Sulong Pinoy, Be My Queen.